Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to present to you a very effective 3-minute strategy consisting of 3 indicators, and they are Zig Zag, Keltner channel and Stochastic Oscillator. And of course, for those who are interested, the platform registration link will be in the video description. It's a great time to start setting indicators. I start by installing the Zig Zag indicator. I don't change periods and leave them as they are. Let's thicken the lines to 3x. The second indicator is the Keltner channel, which is very good and very effective. I change periods to 19, 11, and 2. As for the colors, let's leave them the same. Just thicken the lines. The third and last indicator of this method is the stochastic oscillator. The periods are 15, 3, and 3. Let's install double MA. So change some colors, thicken lines, and save. That's all. Setting indicators, I set the candles to 1 minute and trading time interval to 3 minutes. Let's also carefully choose high percentage currency pairs to get better results. The percentage of the currency pair should not be lower than 70%, of course. Friends, want to remind you that for those who are interested, the platform registration link will be in the description of the video. This method is distinguished by relatively more accuracy in such methods where I have to open positions against the trends. The first major signal I look for is the green candle in this case touches the blue line above the Keltner channel. This is a necessary factor because it is the determinant of the candles being at the extreme high point. The high point is also shown by the green line of the Zig Zag indicator, but it has two purposes in this method. First, as I said before, it shows us the extreme level of the candles when the trend reversal is happening. And the second reason is when the trend follows the trade. The Zig Zag indicator in this case is a level determining factor that shows when it is a good moment to open position. So let's wait a little bit more and find how things develop. And great! I won the first win, the first trade. Great. This is the second and, in my opinion, the best point of this method, because here we already have the factor that the trend is in a strong downward position. Then the green line of the Zig Zag indicator shows that the candles are at the highest level. Also, in combination with the Zig Zag indicator signal, the green candles should touch the blue line above the Keltner channel. These two combinations give us a strong signal that there is a high chance that the trend will continue downward again. Now I want to tell you about the third indicator, which plays a very important role, and it is stochastic oscillator. It must be in a buying position that is above its own line. The blue and white lines of the stochastic oscillator must start to cross each other. And if they cross each other and have a downward direction, it means that they are starting to move towards a selling position. This is also a very good signal, so I think At this point, everything is going in a perfect way, and let's wait a little bit more and see how events unfold. Great! I won here too, but not so convincingly, and I want to continue trading here because, as I said before, this is one of the best moments of this method, and I think the candles will go further down. The white and blue lines of the stochastic oscillator have also crossed and are moving in a downward direction. There is another factor that I missed, and the factor is candles. That is, when candles lose their power and cannot be made anymore, in this case big green candles, and we have this combination of indicators as you can see on the platform now. This is especially the case that the chances of starting red candles are higher. The fact that I trade with a 3-minute time interval, and this ensures me in case of incorrect movement of the candles, that is, if I open position below and at least one candle is green, it will not create a problem for me if I open for 3 minutes. So I think it's always better to take like longer trades. Let's wait and see how things develop. Great! It's wonderful. The third position was also closed successfully. The last candle scared me a little bit, but the main thing is that I won. Friends, if you are going to trade or are already trading, remember to never rush and test any method many times before you decide to trade with real money. Never believe other people who contact you on my behalf about making some investment. And I think it's a great time to say goodbye. See you in the next video. Thank you.